Hello students, this is class 8th, chapter number 1, rational number. Now we are starting exercise 1.1. All of you be ready with your pen, pencil and rough copy and note down question number 1. Using appropriate property, find there are two parts, first one and second one. Note down the first part and have a look. See, this is the question. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiply 1 by 6. If you will see, this is product and this is also product, multiply. So have a look in these two. You will see 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is common. So let us write them first. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 5. Then this is minus 3 upon 5 multiply 1 by 6, and this is the remaining value plus 5 upon 2. Now in these two pair, what is common? 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is common. So let us take common 3 upon 5. Now in bracket, what is the remaining value? Minus 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3. And here what is the value? Minus 1 upon 6. Bracket close plus 5 upon 2. Right? Now let us take the LCM of 3 and 6. This is 3 upon 5. In bracket, the LCM is 6. 3 2 is 6 and 2 2 4. So minus 4. It is minus. Then sign minus. 6 divided by 6 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Bracket close. Plus 5 upon 2. 3 upon 5 multiply minus 4 and minus 1. It is what? Minus 5. So minus 5 upon 6. Right? And this is plus 5 upon 2. Now you can cancel it because it is multiplication. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. The value is 1 into 1. It is minus 1. Minus 1 upon 1 into 2 is 2. And this is plus 5 upon 2. Now take LCM again. It is addition. In case of addition and subtraction, always take LCM. So 2 is the LCM. It is what? 2 divided by 2 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So minus 1 plus 2 divided by 2 1. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So 4 upon 2. Reduce it. You will get 2. Right? So 2 is the answer. Understood? Similarly, see question number 2. Now the second part, note down the second part. See, the second part is 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 multiply 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiply 2 by 5. Now if you will see, there are three pair of multiplication, but among these three, this is 2 upon 5, here it is 2 upon 5. In these two pair we are having common. So let them write first. 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7 and this one plus 1 upon 14 multiply 2 upon 5 and this value over here minus 1 upon 6 multiply 3 upon 2. In these two pair, common is 2 upon 5. Let 2 upon 5 take common. 2 upon 5 bracket start. It is minus 3 by 7. 3 by 7 and it is plus 1 by 14. Right? Bracket close. Then it is minus 1 upon 6 multiply 3 by 2. See, this is multiply. You can reduce it. 3, 6. It can be reduced. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. So it can be written as 1 upon 4. Right? Now, let us say this is 2 upon 5. Take LCM again. 7 and 14. What is the LCM? 14. 7 2 ja 14. 2 into 3 is 6. So minus 6. This is plus 14 divided by 14 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Bracket close. Minus 1 upon 4. Or it is 2 upon 5 multiply, this is minus 6 plus 1, what you will get? Minus 5. So minus 5 upon 14, this is what? Minus 1 upon 4. See, you can reduce it again. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. So what you will get? 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 upon 1 into 7 is 7 and minus 1 upon 4, right? Again take LCM. The value is minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. This is the value. So take LCM. 7 and 4. What is the LCM? 28. 7 4 is 28. 4 into 1 is 4. So it is minus 4. Then minus 4 7 is 28. 7 1 is 7. So the value is minus 4 minus 7. What you will get? Minus 11 upon 28. This is the answer. Right? Understood? Let us see the next part. So you have done question number 1 part first and part second. Let us move to the next question number 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. In this question you have to write additive inverse. So first of all you should understand the meaning of additive inverse. Additive inverse means negative of a number. Suppose there is a number a, then its additive inverse will be minus a. If a number is 7, its additive inverse will be minus 7. Right? If a number is 4, then minus 4, then its additive inverse will be plus 4. Means opposite in sign. Understood? So let us understand the first part. The number is 2 upon 8. Its additive inverse will be minus 2 upon 8. Understood? You can do it. You have to write the additive inverse of each of the following. Take the fourth part. 2 upon minus 9. The additive inverse will be what? 2 upon 9. Because already it is negative. Then its negative will be positive. Right? So in this way you can do question number 2. Let us see question number 3. Verify. We have to verify that minus into minus x equal to x for x equal to 11 upon 15. Let us take the first part. See, this is what? Left hand side, and this is what? Right hand side. Let us take the first left hand side. Left hand side. It is minus into minus x. We have to find the value of this. And the value of x is given 11 upon 15. Put this value. Minus into minus x is 11 upon 15. So minus minus is plus. So plus 11 upon 15. This is the value of left hand side. Now let us see right hand side. Right hand side is what? X. So first write down x. Now put the value of x. X is what? 11 upon 15. So 11 upon 15. See, right hand side is 11 upon 15. Left hand side is plus 11 upon 15. Both are equal. Both are equal. That's why you will write left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. Understood? Let us see the next part. The next part is x equal to minus 13 upon 17. In left hand side it is minus into minus x, and right hand side it is x. So let us put the value in left hand side, minus into minus. X is what? Minus 13 upon 17. So here you have to write minus 13 upon 17, right? Again you have to put a small bracket. Now minus minus is plus and plus minus is minus. So ultimately you will get minus 13 upon 17, right? Again check, minus minus is plus and plus minus is minus. So ultimately it is minus 13 upon 17. This is the value of left hand side. Now right hand side. Right hand side is x. So value of x, put the value of x. X is already given minus 13 upon 17. So write down minus 13 upon 17. See, are they both equal? Yes, they are equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, verified. Understood? In this way, you have to do this question. Now, let us see the question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Before starting this question, let us understand the meaning of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Suppose the number is 5 upon 8. Its reciprocal will be 8 upon 5. Understood? So, you have to write the reciprocal of each of the following. The first number is minus 13. Actually, it is minus 13 upon 1. Then the reciprocal will be what? 1 upon minus 13. This is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13. Understood? So this is the reciprocal. You can do it. Let us see the fourth part. Fourth part is minus 5 upon 8 multiply minus 3 upon 7. See, the value is minus 5 upon 8 multiply 3 upon 7. First we have to solve this value, right? Solve it. It is minus 5 into minus 3. 3 5 is 15. So 15 and minus minus is plus upon 8 7 is 56. Actually the value is 15 upon 56. Now we have to check what is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So its multiplicative inverse or reciprocal will be 56 upon 15. This is the multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 56. So you have to write multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 15 upon 56 is 56 upon 15. In this way you have to write the answer. Understood? So in this way question number 4 you can do. Now let us see the question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. First we have to look the given question very carefully. Then we will find which property is used here. Understood? See, name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. The first part is minus 4 upon 5 multiply 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 upon 5. See, multiply by 1. It is called 1 is the multiplicative identity. Because any number multiplied by 1 is the same value. Understood? Any number a multiplied by 1, what you will get? A. There is no change. Understood? So it is multiplicative identity. 1 is known as multiplicative identity. Right? Second part. See, the second part is 13 minus 13 upon 17 multiply minus 2 upon 7 equal to minus 2 upon 7 multiply minus 13 upon 17. See, this is similar to a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. Right? This is what? Commutative property. Understood? This is commutative property. So the second part is commutative property. The third one, minus 19 upon 29 multiplied 29 upon minus 19 equal to 1. See, what is this? Minus 19 upon 29 and 29 upon minus 19. Are these reciprocal? Yes, multiplicative inverse. So this is what? Multiplicative inverse property. Understood? Now let us move to the next question. Now question number 5 you can do. See, question number 1. Question number 6. Multiply 6 upon 13. Multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. By the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So its reciprocal will be what? 16 upon minus 7. You have to multiply this number and this number. Understood? Let us see. See, the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is minus 16 upon 7, or you can write 16 upon minus 7. Both are same. Now according to question you have to multiply these two values and you will get minus 96 upon 91. Understood? This is your question number 6. Now question number 7. Tell what property allow you to compute 1 upon 3 multiply 6 into 4 upon 3 as 1 upon 3 multiply 6 into 4 upon 3. See all these value carefully. This is 1 upon 3, then 6, then 4 upon 3, right? See all the values carefully. Then we can say which property is applied here. Understood? Look in the copy. As I have explained earlier, A multiplied by B multiplied by C, or A multiplied by B multiplied by C. If we multiply B and C first and then multiply by A, or if we multiply A by B first then multiply by C, both are same. Which property is this? Associative property. Which property? Associative property, right? So look in your question. So you have to write in this way. By using associative property of multiplication, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C, right? Here in this question, this is A and this is B and this is C, right? Now let us see question number 8. Is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8? Why or why not? Let us have a look. This number is what? 8 upon 9. And this number is what? Minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. First write this number in improper fraction. What it is? 8 into 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. It is minus 9 upon 8. Is it? Yes. Now the question is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 upon 8? No. It is the multiplicative inverse of 9 upon 8, not minus. Understood? So the answer is no. It is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 upon 8. Understood? So in this way you have to write the answer, right? See the next question. 9th. Is 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3? See, 3 whole 1 upon 3. What is this number? 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Actually, this number is 10 upon 3. Right? It is what? 10 upon 3. Now check. 0.3 is what? 3 upon 10. Remove this decimal. What you will get? 3 upon 10. So now read the question. 3 upon 10 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 upon 3? Yes or no? Yes. It is the multiplicative inverse of 10 upon 3. So the answer is yes. It is the multiplicative inverse of 10 upon 3. Understood? So in this way you have to write the answer. Now question number 10. Write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. You have to write a rational number which does not have its reciprocal. It is the 0. What? It is the 0. Because 0 is what? 0 upon 1. And its reciprocal will be what? 1 upon 0. But 1 upon 0 is not a rational number. It is not defined. Therefore, the answer of first part is 0. Right? The second part. The rational number that are equal to their reciprocal. Write a rational number which is equal to its reciprocal. It is what? 1. It is what? 1. Because 1 upon 1 and its reciprocal is what? 1 upon 1. Understood? So the second part you can do. See the third part. The rational number that is equal to its negative. The rational number that is equal to its negative. It is also 0. The third part is again 0. Because its negative is what? Plus 0 or minus 0. Actually 0 is neutral. There is no sign of plus or minus. 0 is 0. It is neither negative nor positive. That's why the answer of third is 0. Right? Now I am leaving these fill in the blanks for you. You have to do it, these fill in the blanks in your copy. Now you can complete this exercise in your copy. Understood? You can note down each and every question and do it. Thank you.